What's up, guys? Welcome to. Hope you're doing good. I'm not really doing that well. Just now, on this same SIM card, my video clips I had ready for this car, the Miata. I had the brakes video all finished. I was about to wrap it up, make a thumbnail for the car, and get it posted. Unfortunately, my files got corrupted and I couldn't do anything about it, so I had to reformat the whole card. So I just lost all my clips I had of the Miata and doing the brakes and all that other stuff. It's unfortunate because I wanted to show you guys me doing the brakes, but now losing all my video clips, I can't really make a video and finish that brake video. But let's not get ahead of ourselves, because there is one upside to this downfall, and I want to show you guys our new camera we got. So this is our new camera. We've got a, getting the light here, it's a Sony. The model number is a ZF-E10 4K. It's got a nice screen. It flips out. Came with this nice, but yeah, this is our new camera we're gonna be recording on. And let me just show you guys around it real quick. Hopefully you can see and the sun isn't blocking anything. But yeah, that's our new camera. I hope the audio quality is going to be a little bit better. If it isn't, I can always upgrade the mic. Switch over to the new Sony. Let me know what you guys think about it. What's up, guys? I gotta get used to this quality. Very nice, I like it. Alright, so this is the new camera. This is what we're gonna be filming on from now on. I'm still gonna hold on to the GoPro to shoot some car, like inside driving and stuff like that, but for the main videos we're going to be using the camera, and I'm also going to be taking some pictures with it. It's also kind of heavy, it's wearing my arm out. Yeah, so we're going to work on the Honda a little bit and try and get it fixed up and running, because I want to show you guys what I've found so far, and I want to tell you what I've done and what I've tested to try and narrow it down to what the problem is with the Honda and why it hasn't been running. Yeah, just that's kind of what this video is going to be about, the Honda today. And then I also got some stuff in the mail for the Miata, so we're also going to be working on this car hopefully this weekend, if we can get our Honda mostly figured out, and we'll get started working on the Honda. What's up, guys? So if you guys don't know what's been going on with the Honda, well, I'm about to show you. So if you guys are new to the channel, this is my Turbo D-Series in a 97 Honda Civic EX Coupe. Currently we've been fighting with an issue with the fuel/ignition system, but we found the problem. So let me plug everything up and I'm gonna show you guys what's going on. Alright, so everything's plugged up, so I'm going to crank the car and then I'm going to show you exactly what's wrong with the car. I don't know if it's going to crank right up. We'll see. Okay, so now if we unplug coil number 3, you'll see the car you'll see the car not change at all. Still runs smooth, has the same AFRs, and I'm pretty sure it's a coil or a wiring issue.
So you guys saw the car not change any way when I unplugged coil 3. Now we're gonna do some testing and figure out what's going on and why is it not firing. I did a few tests off camera before I actually started filming on the new camera, but you can see I have a piece of tape on one of them. See it right there. That coil was initially on number 3 and I swapped it to cylinder 2. Still, it follows with number 3. So I want to say it's a wiring issue. I don't think we're having any coil problems. I'm gonna get a multimeter and I'm gonna try and test the power and the ground, try and narrow it down to what the actual problem is. Alright, so I'm measuring the power wire with the ignition on, and I got 12 volts coming through. Alright, now we're gonna test for ground on the wire. Key is still on, so we're gonna put our multimeter on continuity, and it should make a sound like this. So now we're gonna get our black wire on our connector, poke it, and then ground our other wire, and we should hear a beep. So we got ground. So now we need to try and test this. I think it's a signal wire, or it might be called something else. I'm not really sure. Okay guys, so now we're gonna test our coil, and I'm doing a little bit of research to see how exactly to do that. Go to ohms on your multimeter, and then you want to find the power and then the ground circuit, which in our case power is on the what side would this be, right? No, power would be on the left side, ground would be in the middle. Got our multimeter on ohms. It would be the little horseshoe looking ring you can see right here. I'm getting a 4.58, 4.59 reading on the ohms. Let's test this one, just get a good idea. Four point six still. This one 4.6. Okay, so I think the coil is fine in my opinion. So now we need to test our triggering signal wire. So let me read how to do that. I tested the power and the ground and those were fine. We got 12 volts on the power wire and continuity test on the ground. We have that too. So I think the only thing we need to test now is the trigger wire, and if that's good, I don't know what would be wrong with this car if only cylinder 3 is not firing and then the coil is good. So I don't know, I'm kind of in a pickle. I don't really know what to do. So I've asked a few friends what to do and they told me the same thing. Test the wiring, test the coil. The coil seems fine, same one as always. Cylinder 3 was the one that was misfiring, so I'm not quite sure. What I know is something in the spark is not working. Well guys, I couldn't figure out what quite is wrong with the car, but I did check for power and ground on that same wire, so that's there. We just gotta check third wire and see if that is working. But yeah, I don't really know what else to check, so if you guys got any suggestions, leave them in the comments below. But I think that's gonna be it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. I really didn't do much, just more diagnosing and trying to figure out what's wrong with the car. I'll see you boys in the next one.